Good evening, sir. Sir, we want to know your feedback about what that about the topics and about the format. What do you think the feedback is?
I think whatever little, this was the first meeting, but whatever little I could get, I think the approach compared to the other the workshops and the conferences which we have done, this is very innovative way. You have tried to use the social media, the web media to the maximum. I think this would enlarge the capacity or the objectives what we are having. It will achieve it in a much better way.
Thank you very much. And we'll also try to bring in all the new innovative ideas which were given in this meeting into the website and the web and the social media stuff. Coming to the health care, and healthcare was a very broad topic, and you suggested that we actually bring down and narrow down the healthcare topic. And what would be your suggestions for the topics in the Congress?
I think this another added point which you have, the health care is a very broad topic, but under healthcare what we could say, the telemedicine for example is one of the areas where India could be the leaders. The other could be the communication between the and the processing of the medical data. India could do it in much bigger way, because most of the countries in the West are finding, because of lack of medical fraternity, they are taking too much time to process the papers, because of which the actual surgeries or the treatment is delayed. India can help in a very big way to bring down the gap between the consultation and the treatment. It has already started. Some of the leading Fortis, Manipal and all that, they are already doing. But if across the country we see, we have lot of capability, and this will certainly help.
In fact, I think this is a forum where I should say I'm actually trying to develop a small mobile application which will help the doctor and the patient to communicate on real time. Discuss about their x-rays and reports. The patient need not come to the doctor. The doctor can just call you, and you can see the doctor on your mobile phone, and he can push the report onto your phone, and you can discuss the report right from your home. This is one of the apps, small mobile apps, which we are trying to do.
I think this is only one of the example. There are hundreds of such applications. I'll give you another one. The medical, where the cardiac arrest takes place, or the what we call in the layman's language the heart attack, the time is very less. By the time the patient is taken to the hospital, 1 hour, 1.5 hours and all that, it is too late. Now these days somebody I have already met is developing the application that you give a call to the doctor, you put that your mobile near the heart and all that, it conveys immediately. This means within few minutes you can talk to the doctor, hears that the beats, the heartbeats and some of the other data which probably the doctor can understand, and he will tell you what to do within minutes, rather than waiting for the patient to go to the hospital, which generally takes very long time, and many deaths takes place during this period. So like this, if the apps are developed, they'll be very useful.
Thank you very much, sir. One last thing which we thought was, if you have any suggestions, if you want to make, could be in the topics, or it could be in the speakers, the format, or you said you are part of a large number of boards. So if you want to bring one of those industries, you are always welcome, and if you want to comment on it, sir, please.
Certainly, I think I will do that. I have been doing it earlier, whatever was organized by the Institution of Engineers or by the same organizers. I will do this time also. I think renewable energy, if we can focus within energy, see, one is reducing the losses in the conventional ways of energy is made. The other is, because we are so short of energy, let us try to make big use of renewable energy. I am very happy with the Gujarat example, which they have done, that using on the canal, for example, solar panels and all that, it serves the double purpose. Similarly, one of the idea which Modi gave, though I am not a BJP man, I am not sort of seeing from that angle at all, no political angle, but what he gave was, we have a very vast the border area. We can use that where the border is not there. We can make that and partly cover it by solar panels all around. And that energy is a wonderful idea. It needs to be developed without politicizing.
Definitely. Thank you very much, sir. And we'll also take renewable energy as one of the topics. And I, being part of TSP, which is the sustainable platform, TSP, and I key member there, will keep renewable energy and sustainability always in our back of mind, even when I'm sleeping. And thank you very much, sir. Thank you.